Hey, welcome to Thinking is Contagious. Another quick snippet. Maxine Waters. I read today where she has a problem. She's going after President Trump based on her perceived or her notion that he is attacking um, Biden's choice for Vice President Kamala Harris. And Miss Waters says Trump's attacking the person that was appointed or uh, chosen by Biden to be his VP, and he is not hesitant to do so. She's offended by the fact that here the person that was chosen to be the VP is being attacked by someone. Yet she doesn't have a problem with making this following statement about Donald Trump, the man that was chosen by the American people in 2016 to be our president, including her president. She has no problem saying that Donald Trump, he is the most deplorable human being I have ever encountered in my life. Pretty interesting. Maxine Waters is asking that Section 4 of the 25th Amendment be invoked. That is basically the section that addresses the mental competency of the president and allows the vice president to become president in that case. I think that is also ironic that the mental competency is brought up as an issue, and kind of dangerous, short-sighted, and be careful what you wish for when your party's nominee for president, Joe Biden, can't remember what he's running for, forgets his wife's name, and has more gaffes than any politician in recent history. I think that that's pretty ironic that she's hanging her hat on mental stability. There's an old saying that says empty barrels make the most noise. Maxine Waters is making a lot of noise right now. A lot of noise. And she's got to be real careful where she treads with this mental health issue, with the nominee that she's got in tow and her party has in tow. Good night.